Hello guys, welcome back to the next video where we are solving question number 6 from the ISC 2023 question paper for accountancy. If you have missed out the previous videos, check out the playlist from the description box below, and if you don't want to miss out future videos, then hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications. Alright, this is a sum on balance sheet that we have where we are required to prepare an extract of the balance sheet showing the share capital and also the notes to accounts. So this is a 6 mark sum. Here, please again, no journal is requested. So please do not end up making journal entries. That will take away a lot of time of yours. And that's not required, so you will not earn any marks for that. Let's pick up one by one. Sunrise Limited was formed on 1st November 21 with a capital of 20 lakh rupees divided into equity shares of rupees 20 each. Okay, so we get the authorized capital from here. So 20 lakhs divided by 20, we get 1 lakh. So number of shares are 1 lakh of 20 each. That makes it 20 lakhs. So coming to our notes to account straight away, this is the format that we have. We write 1 lakh equity shares of rupees 20 each. So that gives us 20 lakhs. All right. So double line after that, that's not used for further calculation. This is only for information purpose. Okay, so authorized capital is done. Let's move on to the next part of the question. It offered 95% to the public, which were all subscribed for. So this is my issued capital. So 95% of 1 lakh is 95,000. So 95,000 equity shares of rupees 20 each. All right. So the value of this becomes 95,000 into 20, which is 19 lakh rupees, right? We can write the 19 lakh rupees like this. So this is done as well. Issued capital as well is only for information purpose. It is not used for further calculation in notes to accounts. Double line after that. Let's move on. 60% of the amount was payable on application, 30% on allotment. So if 60% was payable on application, that means 60% of 20, which is 12 rupees, are payable on application. 30% on allotment, which is 6 rupees on allotment, then in that case. And the balance on final call, which is the balance remaining 2 rupees on final call. Okay, so now let's see what do we have here. The applicants paid rupees 11 lakh 40,000 on application and 5 lakh 40,000 on allotment. The final call was not made by the company till the balance sheet date. Now, this is important because in the subscribed capital, the next part, we have two subcategories, subscribed and fully paid, subscribed but not fully paid. Since the company hasn't made the final call yet on all the shares, nothing comes under this subscribed and fully paid. So we can straight away remove this. We did not write this. Entire shares fall under this category, subscribed but not fully paid. And how many shares are there? All right. And also we have a defaulter. If you see here, let's do the calculation, a simple math. 95,000 shares into 12. If you do the calculation, you will have to check whether did we receive the entire application money. So 95,000 into 12, that is 11 lakh 40,000, which was the application money received. So no defaulter here. Let's check allotment. 95,000 into 6, which is 5 lakh 70,000. However, people only paid 5 lakh 40,000 on allotment, so we have a defaulter. We have calls in arrears of 30,000, right? So calls in arrears will be equals to 5 lakh 70,000 minus 5,40,000, which is equals to 30,000. All right. This will be sitting here against calls in arrear. We can straight away put that amount first since we have already got that. Let's write the statement here. So how many shares are there and what is the statement? So 95,000 shares, 95,000 equity shares of rupees 20 each. However, all the calls are not made. Final call of rupees 2 is not made. That means rupees 18 called up. This is important to understand. So in that case, what becomes our value? 95,000 into 18. 17 lakh 10,000, right? Minus 30,000. That gives us our final answer, which is 16 lakh 80,000. And this is what becomes the total that sits here, 16 lakh 80,000. And that becomes our final answer that will go into the final balance sheet, 16 lakhs 80,000, right? Interesting sum. However, again, don't end up wasting time in making journals. You should be able to do it from the question itself, straightforward. You should be aware what topics, what subtopics do we have in notes to account so that easily you can plot that as you go along the question. This will require some practice, however, this will save time as well. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you all in the next video with the next sums that we have. Stay tuned for more.